The Chinese Army has released a new video demonstrating the shooting-on-the-move capability of the Type 99A and Type 96B main battle tanks. The 99A main battle tank is the most advanced tank in China, equipped with the best battlefield information management system, laser jamming countermeasures system installed on the top of the turret, and excellent performance in fire control and protection capabilities. The 96B is China's latest improved main battle tank, which has finally been revealed in news reports recently and appears to transfer some of the design features of the 99A to the lower-cost 96 family tank. This will help the Chinese Army to equip more high-quality tanks. In a separate video, the Chinese Army's most advanced 04A infantry fighting vehicle also performed a mobile shooting demonstration. It is armed with a 100mm gun and a 30mm gun. The 04A is capable of carrying 7 infantry and 3 crew members. It can also fire anti-tank missiles from the 100mm gun. In the video, as it moves, the vehicle's 100mm gun accurately hits distant targets. The vehicle also has an autoloader to load projectiles and can attack multiple enemy targets in rapid succession. The 96A main battle tank, which also made its debut in the video, is currently the third-generation main battle tank with the largest number of equipment in the Chinese Army, but lags behind the 99A and 96B tanks in terms of technical level. The tank was also equipped with an autoloader. While on the move, the autoloader of the tank completed the loading operation of the 125mm shell in the propellant. The gunner then fired at the target, and the 125mm shell hit the bullseye. The video also shows the firing drills conducting shooting training at night. It is reported that China's 2 main battle tanks and infantry fighting vehicles are equipped with the second generation of the newly developed infrared thermal imager, which can form wide-angle thermal images covering the entire field of view, a great improvement over the previous night vision devices. At the same time, with the support of the Battlefield Information Management System, the latest generation of Chinese tanks and infantry fighting vehicles can quickly obtain a large number of enemy targets, precise location and relevant information, achieving better combat results. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment.